Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to MetaMask step by step. Now let's get started. So first off, you just have to open your MetaMask application and make sure you have the application both Bybit and MetaMask. So here we are in the MetaMask application. So you just have to click the copy address in your account. As you can see, I just copied the address. Now once that's done, you should go to your MetaMask app. Once that's done, you should go to your Bybit app. Now that I'm in my Bybit app, so make sure you should go to your assets as well and just click withdraw button. And once you are in here, just click the crypto of your choice. And as you can see, this is where you input your address. So you just have to paste it. And once you have done that, you should click the chain type of your choice and just fill up the amount. Now, once you have filled your amount, you should click the withdraw button. After that, the transfer would be successful and there would be some transactions after that. And once that's done, the transfer crypto from Bybit to MetaMask should be successful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful and see you in the next one.